Those mean the same thing. I like this one better. So what this one is saying is that everywhere there's an x in f of x, we're going to put g of x. So we're evaluating the function at g of x. So the same way that if this said find f of 7, we would toss a 7 in for those x's. When this says find f of g of x, we take this g of x right here and throw it in for both of those x's. So let me show you what that looks like. So instead of x squared, we now have x minus 9 squared. And instead of plus 3x, we have plus 3x minus 9. And then let me erase this stuff down here just to clean this up a little bit. Okay, so this is on the way to right, but we still have to simplify this a little bit. So x minus 9 quantity squared, that is the exact same thing as x minus 9 times x minus 9. And that you might remember from previous classes, we're going to FOIL that, but sometimes it helps to write that out side by side to do that step. And while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and distribute this 3 through. So this will be plus 3x, and then 3 times minus 9, so that's going to be a negative 27 or minus 27. And then here we'll do our FOIL step, so we're going to go our first, x times x will make x squared. Our outside, x times negative 9, so minus 9x. Same thing for our inside, negative 9 times x. And then our last, so negative negative make positive, 81. And then plus 3x minus 27. And so let's see, collecting our like terms, we've got x squared, that's minus 18 right there, but then back up 3, so that's going to be minus 15x. And then 81 minus 27 would be, what is that? Arithmetic. 4, make that a 7. Oh yeah, 54, that makes sense. So that would be a positive 54. And that's our composite of f and g. Hopefully that helps.